Hey guys, welcome back to the pink envelope. I am unboxing one of my faves, YogaClub. Now, if you have watched my Insta stories recently, then you've already seen what's in here because my 4-year-old and I basically saw the box on the front porch and just ripped it open to see what was inside. It was raining and the guy left the box in the rain, which is part of the reason why I just let my 4-year-old rip it open because I was worried the clothes would get ruined. These boxes are durable. Hey, don't know why he left it in the rain, but it barely seeped through on the inside and the clothes were not even wet. They're in perfect condition, so props for that. So yeah, normally the box, well, actually I've never had a box look like this. Thank you USPS or whoever left it in the rain. And then my kiddo already ripped into it, hence presentation being crazy. However, I wanted to give you guys a more thorough breakdown. I'm totally repping YogaClub right now. Got the pants on, got the tank top and the sports bra, because, well, it's my mom clothes. Ooh, so y'all, not to be like creepy stalkerish, but I saw this and just started commenting and liking on all these different YogaClub posts because I wanted it. Look how big it's a big, oversized, super soft hoodie. Can y'all see the inside? I don't even know who it's by. Oh, it's Free People. This is gray, size small, $68. I mean, because it's only appropriate that I would try it on for you guys. Okay. I mean, my hubby's usually down with some YogaClub because he likes seeing me in the sports bras and the yoga pants. This might be one of his not quite so favorite, but I think it's going to rank up to be one of my favorites because this thing is cozy. So can you see it? A little bit? I'll take photos so that you guys can see it. It has a little hoodie back there too. And then I finally got the pinks. I've been asking for pinks. I love pinks. My 4-year-old loves pinks. Pinks is what we do. Hence the freaking name of my company. And I got the pinks. So look at these yoga pants. Aren't they so cute? By, I think, Electric and Rose. Yes, Electric and Rose is the brand. It's really cool. They have a good little stretch to them. Great color patterns. And then look. Coordinating sports bra. I am a redhead who wears pink. I'm okay with that. And in the back, it's got the crisscross. So this Electric and Rose bralette, small medium, $84. Sorry, I'm filming in selfie mode, so it's backwards. The sunset legging, $88. And then Free People hoodie, $68. So if you consider the fact that the box is only $79, I could not have bought either one of these items if I wanted to, if we were talking trade. But in just straight purchasing one of these items, I got the other two for free. And I did no work. I did nothing. It was shipped to my door. Like I said, we got back from running around this morning and found it and just grabbed it and started playing with it. So I am a huge YogaClub fan for that alone. I am not big into yoga. I don't work out. But I am a mom, and I'm on the go, and I'm running, and I'm active, and I'm moving, and my husband likes me in yoga pants. So there you go. That justifies the cost of it and complete. If you guys have any questions, you know how to find me. Hook it up on my link because you automatically get an additional 20% off. And, of course, I can answer any questions you guys have. All right, guys. I hope that you have a fabulous day, and we'll see you guys later. Bye, y'all.